Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. In this time, I would like to present my thesis proposal seminar. Before that, let me introduce myself. My name Ardiansyah Pramudia Kurniawan. My NRP or my identity number is 03190300012. My major is Diploma 3 Marine Engineering Study Program at Shipbuilding Institute of Polytechnic Surabaya. And the title of my thesis is Analysis of Vibration on the Engine Foundation of the Ship SPOB MI Dayana after adjustment referring to EBS standard. And now, this is chapter 1. Chapter 1 is background of the study. There are 3 backgrounds of my thesis. First, because there is problem in the ship, which is the problem is vibration from the main engine when the main engine is running. The second background is the design and assembly the main engine foundation is false, so that it can cause of vibrate. The third reason is to avoid the main engine and structural of ship is broke because of vibration. And now is formulation of the problem. There are 3 formulations of the problem from my thesis. The first formulation is how to measure vibration in main engine, and the second is how to analyze vibration in main engine refers to EBS rules, and the last formulation is the engine vibration is in accordance with the EBS rules. And now let's talk about objective of study. There are 3 objectives of the study. First objective is to find out how measure main engine vibration. The second is to find out how to analyze engine vibration using EBS standard reference. And the last objective is to find out frequency of engine vibration after adjustment on the engine foundation using EBS standard reference. And this slide is tell about significance of study. There are 3 significance, which is each significance is different in time. First significance for student to increase knowledge and insight regarding vibration analysis on engine foundation referring to EBS class. The second significance is for the institute to addition literature and reference in teaching and learning activities, as well as for the development of the next final project regarding the problems related to this final project. And the last significance is for factory as information material to determine the level of vibration on the engine after adjustment are made to the foundation. And this part is scope and limitation. The first limitation is analysis of the source of force and moment only from the main engine. And the second is vibration measurement only on engine foundation. And This slide is basic of theory. There are several chapter and sub-chapter. First chapter is tell about vibration. From the chapter, there is a description of type of vibration and cause of vibration. Second theory is description is about engine foundation and describe about type of engine engine foundation and requirement of engine foundation. And the third theory is about a measurement, and the subchapter is kind of measurement. The last chapters is tell about EBS class. Okay, now let's talk about a literature which I use as a reference. The title of first literature is Engine Foundation Vibration Analysis in tugboat ship using DNV standard, and this literature written by Farid Fanani on 2012. And second literature title is Vibration Analysis Engine Room on Road Ketapang, Gilimanuk, KMP Dharma Citra. This literature written by Gatot Laksono on 2016. And the last chapter is a flow chart. The content of flow chart is flow of thought of the author or researchers in conducting research. The framework of thought must be arranged following the author line of thought, so that the author must indicate where he start doing and what goals he wants to achieve in his research. And this is the flow that I run in writing for this thesis from the starting until the end my research. So thank you for your attention. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.